Here go train, guys. We're at the Sherwood Road here in Anderson, Tennessee. Here comes the train. Yep, here it comes. Yep, the Sherwood Road. There it goes. At the Sherwood Road here in Anderson, Tennessee. Heading on our way home, saw the green light, and I'm glad we came back. Also, it is raining. There's the end. Not a long train, but finally a train after going to Stevenson, Bridgeport, Sherwood, Callan, Tullahoma, and all this stuff. Well, I finally caught one. Finally. There you go. Yeah, guys.